So finally, $12,500, $12,500, and flying out Brandon to give our AI employees a new home. This will be probably the shortest Facebook video, shortest video ever, YouTube, whatever, wherever this is going. It's gonna be the shortest video I ever do because I just wanted to share with you guys why I did this. So we're building out these really incredible OpenClaw AI agents, and it might not be OpenClaw in the future. I don't know. But right now, OpenClaw is the most versatile. It's really fun, really powerful. It can do a lot of things. It can do a lot of bad things too. But in the hands of a capable person, it can do dangerously insane good things. And very affordable because it can use with pretty much any type of model out there. I'm just going to share with you guys what we did, and we finally installed our very first AI employees on our new server cluster. If you guys haven't been watching, we have been building this massive server cluster. We've just started our first 3 nodes. It will be a total of 10 nodes over 2 different sites. So each of these server clusters are redundant. So we start, the minimum is 3. They can each, these can actually host up to 53 AI employees per server cluster. Each server cluster is about $12,000. And if you want to see that breakdown, you can just comment below and I'll send you the link to see it. I actually built out an entire project doc that shows like the equipment we bought, how we set them up, the software we're using, why we're doing what we're doing, the redundancy. So basically these 3 computers, these servers are linked together and they serve as one giant cluster server that backs each other up. And then we also added a 4th computer that's only job is to back up the 3 computers that are already redundantly backed up. And they are fast. They're Ryzen 9. They have each of the servers have 96 gigs of RAM. Like they're just beasts. All NVMe, DDR5, like the fastest, best technology you can get. And I'll show you why. If you've ever used those services like Hostinger or whatever VPS or virtual machines that you purchase, let me just show you. I'm going to share my screen here. I'm going to log into what a lot of you guys are used to. And by the way, there's nothing wrong with this because OpenClaw will run on your $10, $15, $30 a month server. No problem. So this is AI Employee 5. It's one of my client servers that we have set up right now. Let me just click on some stuff so you guys can see. So I've actually clicked on the window. I'm going to click on this window down here, right here, over here. So we use multiple models. Like let's open up a new window. See how long it takes for Chrome to start. There we go. All right, let's do a little Google search here. Google. This is I'm so glad this happened. I'm so glad this happened so you guys can see, because this is using industrial hardware, commercial grade hardware, and it's hosted in a giant server farm that it actually gets caught by these bot spam filters. Now, luckily that actually worked really quick and we were able to get in there pretty good, but sometimes it will be a real pain in the butt. But anyway, you can kind of see, let's move some windows around so you can see. Oh, wow. Whoa. All right. So these are these virtual private servers that you buy, from these big companies. They have massive equipment. I'm not capping on them. All I'm saying is that, and by the way, this is going to run and does run OpenClaw perfectly fine, but our clients are getting a massive upgrade because I'm going to close out of this bad boy and I'm going to open up SecureClaw. So this is what the difference is on our own virtual private servers here, on our own hardware, on our network. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. These are top of the line, fast you can get. It's like I'm on this computer personally. All the stuff that you can do here, incredibly fast, amazingly good. I mean, I don't even have to do it. Let me open up a window. Boom. Instantly opens up the browser. Boom. I can type in a search here for Jeff J. Hunter. Boom. You notice there's no bot flagging, nothing going on here. Why? This is one of the reasons why we decided to make this move. We decided to make this move and invest in this equipment because we wanted to have top of the line equipment so that it's fast. But here's the thing. We're using top of the line consumer grade electronics, which means every time you go to a website, every time you go to a server, it's trying to fight against bots. It's actually trying to fight against AI and bots, okay? So by us having a server cluster of servers that, you know, if you do the math, you know, per server is about $2,200 plus, you know, the stuff that we got to go with it. So the $12,000, it's all included. That's 3 servers. Each server is about another $2,500 to add on, a little bit more than that, maybe like $2,700. And they are consumer grade. So even though they have all they're just as good as a server you'd plant somewhere else. Like they have 10 gigabyte ports on it, SFPs. So they basically can transfer data instantly to each other. Everything that a server has in these big environments, the difference is it's running on like Ryzen AI 9s, which is consumer grade. It's like a gaming computer basically that's turned into a server, but they're designed to run like a server. They turn themselves back on, they back themselves up, they have massive internet connectivity, like really amazing things. And because of that, the servers don't see them as bots. The servers don't see them as a threat. You don't get blocked by Google. I'm so glad that actually showed up, because when you're running these hostingers and things like that, they're in these server farms and they have commercial equipment. When you go and open up a browser, that server looks to see what that browser is running on. Oh, this is running on a massive, you know, cluster farm in Phoenix or wherever it's going to be, right? Versus this is running from a residential IP in California in a residential area from a residential like Comcast internet, not like a commercial IP. And guess what? It doesn't have any problems. It's just like if you were working from home. So it just thinks that the agent is just someone on their home computer doing stuff. So that gives us a massive advantage over these massive cluster farms of servers and things. So we wanted our AI employees to be like really have the same ability as we as humans. So instead of having to buy a bunch of computers, because that's what I was doing, I actually have 9 different mini PCs. Previously, every OpenClaw was installed on their own mini PC, ranging from $350 up to $700. Now we have these mega awesome servers that can host about 11. They can host about 11 clients for each one, and as you saw, super fast. They're super fast. They back themselves up. They have redundancy, so if one of the server dies, it instantly moves them over to another computer, one of the servers, and within 2-3 seconds they're back online. The client wouldn't even know. If you didn't see the pictures of it, I know it's kind of geeky and nerdy, but I have photos. So if you want to see what these servers are running on, what an exciting time to live. We're literally creating AI employees on a server cluster and deploying them for businesses, real use cases. So that's it. Bye.